I'm Jane King at the NASDAQ. Fitbit sinks after it says it will sell more shares to the public.
I'm Scott Gam. Candy Crush will now be owned by Activision.
And I'm Rhonda Schaffler. Auto sales out today and sales of Jeeps are on fire.
Well, stocks are opening slightly lower here today in another muted opening. We are watching Fitbit. The revenue there nearly tripled in the recent quarter. It's also got 90% of the dollar share of the wearables market. That's according to Barron's. However, it reported that profit fell 33% in the third quarter. It was weighed down by surging costs, but the real problem is that it is selling 14 million more shares in a follow-up public offering.
Jane, I know we have a very big report coming out after the bell today.
Yes, we're talking about Tesla. It is expected to report its fourth consecutive quarterly loss after the market close. The production ramp up in connection with the Model X and the Model S is going to be a key element in this report, according to analysts. And Scott, we're also watching shares of Activision Blizzard and King Digital. King Digital way up, but Activision Blizzard trading down this morning.
Well, Jane, the popular and what many call addicting game Candy Crush has a new owner. Activision Blizzard agreed to purchase King Digital, the maker of Candy Crush, in a deal valued at $5.9 billion, or about $18 a share. That's less than the $22.50 a share King Digital received during its initial public offering last year. Meanwhile, Rhonda, we're also keeping an eye out for some key data on auto sales, right?
That's right. October is shaping up to be a pretty good month here. Total vehicle sales expected to rise about 12%. And we have some impressive numbers already from Jeep. Fiat Chrysler reported Jeep sales jumped 33%. Overall sales at the automaker were up 13%. Toyota also out with strong numbers, up 10% in sales. That topped analyst estimates. We'll be watching Ford sales due out today. They're expected to rise by 14%. GM expected to increase by 12%. That's it for us. Remember to check in with TheStreet.com for news and analysis throughout the day.